Hello friends, this person, Mr. Paul, was an Australian American. He was a family therapist, a psychologist, and a philosopher. He formulated 5 axioms of communication. We are going to see the first one called You Cannot Not Communicate. Double negative. We know from mathematics that minus multiplied by minus equals plus. So, we cannot not communicate means we are always communicating, irrespective of whether we speak, text, or even when we are silent. Albert McGrabian says any communication involves 55% of body language, 38% of tonality, and a mere 7% of the actual content of the words we speak. That means how we speak plays a more important role than what we speak. Am I right? Yes. That in turn means we keep communicating through our body languages all the time, 24/7. When do you start communicating actually? Is it from the moment we learn how to speak? No. Even before that. Is it since the time we are born? No. Even before that. Let me explain. Communication starts when the baby is inside the mother's womb. All mothers are aware whether the baby is active and healthy by its movements while inside the womb. Some mothers can even predict if it is a boy or girl by observing the movements. Does it not mean that the baby is communicating? Suddenly, if there is no movement, it is also communicating something else. It means we need to check to see if all is well inside. Without this awareness, many have lost their babies even before they are born. So, the awareness is important. Now, let us say the baby is delivered. Let us say it keeps quiet without making any noises as soon as it is born. Do we feel happy that the baby does not cry as soon as it is born? No. It is communicating that something is wrong with it. Then, the moment it starts crying, it is communicating all is well and makes the people around it feel happy. Is it not? So far, the baby has communicated so many things without uttering a word. Also, only the mother knows its different style of communication. If it cries this way, it means it feels hungry. If it cries the other way, we need to change the diaper. If the crying intensity is this much, it is under some pain. The baby is communicating all these things without using a single word. So, your clothes, your accent, your body language, your facial expressions all communicate and send signals to the people around you. That means you need to have awareness about 2 parts. Number 1, that you are always communicating. Number 1, you have something in your mind but say something else to please someone, let us say. Still, he or she can understand what you really wanted to communicate. So, be aware of this. Number 2, this part is more important. People around you are also always communicating. You should always be aware of this. That is, you need to be aware how they are communicating rather than what. For example, you are close to making a deal with a client, let us say. Finally, he says he will let us decisions known by the next morning. If he does not get back to you the next morning, though he has not said anything negative, we perceive he has communicated something. Is it because of this that we say silence speaks louder than the words? Another example. Let us say you are a student in a men's college. You have a girlfriend in the nearby women's college. She spends time with you very often. One evening, you proposed to her and she looked silent. You think she is saying okay to you. From that moment, she turns her face away whenever she needs to cross your college. Is she not communicating without saying any words? Another example, 10 of our relatives attended a small birthday lunch party in Chennai. All the dishes were prepared at home. We all know she is really a good cook. By mistake, she added twice the required quantity of salt in one of the dishes. After the lunch, she asked how was the food. Everyone said everything tasted very nice. She was also happy. We all knew no one liked that particular dish. Here, even though the feedback is positive, she should have the awareness to understand what is being communicated. All the dishes were finished, but that one item was there, bowl full. This is what I say, we should have the awareness to really understand what is being communicated, even if the spoken words are different. Remember, communication involves 55% of body language. Let us see another example. Let us say I ask feedback from my boss. He says I am doing good, but the year end I am getting the lowest increment. Now, I should be aware what is being communicated. I should not feel happy that he keeps saying I am doing good. So, always remember that you cannot not communicate. You are always communicating. The same way, be aware that people around you are always communicating. It is up to you to interpret and find the intended meaning underneath that communication. We all make meaning out of everything, of every response, including no response at all. As a corollary, suppose you are communicating something and you don't see the intended reaction from the receiver, let us say. You need to check your own body language to see if it is communicating something different from what you say in words. For example, if someone hit you by mistake, they say sorry in words, but with a smile in the face. Here, the body language doesn't match the spoken words. They will be misunderstood here. Now, let us watch this scene. I just took a small part from a Tamil movie to demonstrate the point.
இந்த ஸ்டாம்ப்ல தொப்பி போட்டுருக்காருல இவர் யார் தெரியுமா?
இவர்தான் நேதாஜி சுபாஷ் சந்திர போஸ். இந்தியாவுக்கு 1947ல சுதந்திரம் அடைஞ்சது இல்லையா? அதுல நிறைய பேர் சுதந்திரம் வாங்க பாடுபட்டாங்க. பாடுபட்டவங்கள இவரும் ஒருத்தர். ஓகே, இதே மாதிரி இங்கிலாந்து குவீன் எலிசபெத் இருக்காங்களே, அவங்க நாட் ஓன்லி இங்கிலாந்து குவீன் பட்
the point. In this, one person is going on narrating a story. The other person's body language clearly shows he is not at all interested in his story. Still, this person goes on narrating without being aware whether the other person really listens to him or not. This is what can happen in real life too. If we are not aware, we will be wasting a lot of our energy this way. So, always be aware. One cannot not communicate.